There are many types of activities that students can complete. The first one we want to talk about is a self-graded activity. You'll often see it as a mark complete activity. These are used to help you read, view, or listen to material you're expected to be familiar with. To complete a self-reported submission, open the activity, read the instructions, and simply click Mark this activity complete. Once this is done, it will show activity is complete and a check mark next to the icon. If we look back at the table of contents, we'll see that you now have a check mark on the icon for that particular activity.